Hey guys, here's a quick video demonstrating how to fit one of our E20.7s or 20.8s into one of our transport bags. So I'll start with the bike folded obviously, and I'll actually separate the magnets a little bit for this because I want to get the central divide in the bag to sit between the two folds of the frame. So I'm going to lift the bike over the centre of the bag, get it positioned nicely in between the zip, and then with the central fold on one side of the bike, I'm going to feed that underneath the frame and sit it between the two folds of the bike. When that's nicely in place, I'm going to fold the bike again until those magnets meet up. So with the central divider between the two folds of the frame and the bike centered in the middle of the bag, I just want to make sure that the pedals, the cranks, are at 12 and 6 o'clock. If they're not, then one of the crank arms will be sticking out and it will make it harder to get the zip around. So just making sure that the back and the front of the bike are positioned where you'd want them to be and not hanging over the edge. Looks like it's good to go at this point. So I'm just going to start pulling the sides of the bag up, and I can grab the handles of the bag and just pull those up. Just jostle the bike into the middle. The folding lever, I'm going to keep that pulled into the frame, just so I don't want that getting knocked on anything or getting damaged. So keep that nice and safe there. Zipping the bag up. When the zip's done up, we're good to go.